Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Hti2 for Pepper. Pepper is a versatile multifunction product that fills a lot of the gaps that people don't think they have to do when they buy a salt pool. Historically, salt pools have been sold improperly, and people think they've got a magical goodies creator, and they don't have to do anything else for their pool ever. The truth of the matter is a salt pool is actually a chlorine pool. You have a chlorine factory at the pump pad that's creating chlorine and some other byproducts that we have to deal with. Pepper helps negate some of the negatives that you get with a salt system, actually a majority of the negatives you get with a salt system, with a quick and easy weekly dosage. So let's talk about the dosage, Matt.
All right. So the cool thing about this stuff is that it comes in a 2-pound bottle. A 2-pound bottle treats 20,000 gallons for approximately a month. And all you really need to do is at the very beginning, you put in a double dose, especially if you have issues with your pool. But on a regular basis, the weekly basis, so it's only a 1/4 pound of pepper per 10,000 gallons. Now, the cool thing is that the top has a 2-ounce cap inside of it. So when you pull it off, there's an inside thing. That inside little deal is 2 ounces. So you know that if you need a 1/4 pound per 10,000, but you have a 20,000 gallon pool, you need a 1/2 pound. 1/2 pound is 8 ounces. So you need 4 caps, right?
Now, what
Just like
happens if they
normal.
add too much on accident?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Keep swimming, baby.
All right.
Nope. The great thing about pepper is, and just a very short piece right here, it should, when it's used properly, take out about 80 to 85% of your acid demand. It's going to negate a lot of the scale formation on the inside of the cell, and you can also turn your cell down about 20% and still have the same chlorine reading.
So it greatly helps to extend the life of your cell if you're doing it right.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Great stuff.
Couple particulars about pepper. It's, like we said before, a complete salt line in a bottle. So if someone's got salt, don't forget the pepper. That's the easiest way to sell it. There's no cyanuric acid built in because you don't need it in pepper. It can help to extend the life of your salt generating equipment, in addition to other pool equipment pieces. It off gases as oxygen, so it's not harmful chlorine gas. It performs well in all pools, covered, uncovered, and all types of pool surfaces. That's pretty darn cool.
And the biggest thing is no more boosting. You don't have to boost anymore unless you have a big rainstorm or a big party. That's it. Pepper's awesome. Try it out.
If you have questions on anything that we covered here today, feel free to call or text us at 877-274-7261. And if you're on social media, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our channels on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And you'll find us on the World Wide Web at apiwater.com.